Disrespect is something almost everyone encounters at some point. It can leave us feeling angry, hurt, or thrown off balance. But the ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers a powerful way to respond, not by ignoring our emotions, but by handling them with clarity and strength. In this video, we'll explore 10 practical Stoic principles that can help you deal with disrespect calmly, wisely, and without losing your peace. Stay with me until the end. I promise it will be worth it. 1. Keep your calm. The Stoics taught that real strength lies in staying calm when everything around you feels chaotic. Epictetus famously said, "People are disturbed not by things, but by the view they take of them." Disrespect only hurts as much as we allow it to. When someone treats you poorly, their words and actions usually say more about their own state of mind than about your worth. By refusing to let their behavior dictate how you feel, you take back your power. Calmness is not weakness, it is control. 2. Reflect on yourself. Self-examination is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." When disrespect comes your way, take a moment to look inward. Ask yourself, is there any truth in what was said? Did I play any part in creating this situation? How would the person I want to become respond right now? This kind of honest reflection turns a difficult moment into a chance to understand yourself better and grow. 3. Learn to pause. Seneca warned that anger doesn't just hurt us in the moment, it also builds a habit that becomes harder to break over time. When someone disrespects you, your first instinct might be to fire back immediately. Instead, train yourself to pause. Even a few seconds of silence can create space between what happened and how you choose to respond. That small gap is where your power lives. It stops you from saying or doing something you might later regret, and allows you to act from wisdom rather than emotion. 4. Have empathy. Stoicism encourages us to look beyond surface behavior and understand what might be driving it. Often, people who disrespect others are carrying their own pain, insecurity, or lack of self-awareness. Trying to see the situation from their perspective doesn't mean you accept the disrespect. It simply stops you from taking it so personally. When you respond with understanding instead of anger, you protect your own peace and reduce the chance of making the situation worse. Before we move forward, I want to acknowledge something important. The fact that you're still here shows real strength. Most people lose interest or get distracted, but you've chosen to stay and learn. Let's keep going together. 5. Concentrate on virtue. For the Stoics, virtue was the highest goal in life. Qualities like wisdom, courage, and self-control mattered more than reputation, comfort, or other people's opinions. Seneca put it simply, virtue is right reason in action. When someone disrespects you, ask yourself, what would a wise and strong person do right now? Focusing on virtue helps you respond in a way that you can be proud of later. It shifts your attention from what others did to who you choose to be. 6. Embrace acceptance. One of the most freeing Stoic ideas is learning to accept what you cannot control. Other people's behavior, opinions, and attitudes are outside your power. The only thing truly yours is how you think, feel, and act. When you accept that someone has disrespected you instead of fighting against it, you stop wasting energy on anger and resentment. You free yourself to focus on what you can influence: your response, your growth, and your peace of mind. Acceptance is not giving up. It is choosing where to place your energy wisely. 7. Use humor. Seneca believed that part of mastering yourself is knowing what not to take too seriously. While Stoicism values seriousness and self-control, it also recognizes the power of lightening the moment when appropriate. A calm, witty response or even quiet inner amusement can take the sting out of disrespect. It shows that you refuse to let someone else's negativity pull you down. Used wisely, humor becomes a quiet form of strength that keeps you balanced and reminds you that not everything deserves your full emotional reaction. 8. Set clear boundaries. Stoicism is not about tolerating poor treatment or becoming a doormat. It is about standing firm, like a rock, steady, clear, and self-respecting. When someone crosses a line, you have every right to address it calmly and directly. Tell them what behavior is unacceptable and what you expect instead. Setting boundaries is not an act of aggression. It is an act of self-respect. The Stoics believed in being both compassionate and firm, protecting your dignity while still treating others fairly. 9. Choose forgiveness. Forgiveness, from a Stoic perspective, is not about letting the other person off the hook. It is about freeing yourself from the heavy burden of anger and resentment that slowly poisons your peace. You don't have to forget what happened or pretend it didn't hurt. You simply decide that you will no longer let it control your thoughts and emotions. Wise forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. It allows you to move forward lighter and stronger, without carrying the weight of someone else's poor behavior. 10. Change your perspective. Marcus Aurelius reminded us that our life is what our thoughts make it. Most acts of disrespect are small and fleeting when viewed against the bigger picture of your life. They rarely define your worth or your future. When you step back and look at things from a wider perspective, disrespect loses much of its power. You begin to see it as a reflection of the other person's limitations rather than a statement about you. This shift helps you focus your energy on what truly matters: your growth, your goals, and the relationships that genuinely support you. The next time you face disrespect, remember these Stoic principles. Stay calm. Reflect before reacting. Pause when emotions rise. Respond with empathy and clear boundaries. Accept what you cannot change. Use humor when it helps. Forgive for your own freedom. And always keep the bigger perspective in mind. Stoicism does not ask you to suppress your feelings. It teaches you to master them. When you apply these principles, disrespect no longer has the power to disturb your peace or shake your sense of self. If this video helped you see things differently, please leave a thumbs up. It helps others find these ideas too. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on Stoic wisdom and personal strength. Thank you for watching until the end. Stay calm, stay strong, and stay stoic. I'll see you in the next one.